Hagar, a young woman, faithful and obedient, became Abraham's concubine. She carried the hope of Sarah's plan. But the situation was complicated. A servant became a surrogate, but also a source of tension. Hagar became pregnant. Her status changed in the household. She looked down on Sarah, her mistress, now childless. Tension grew. Conflict rooted in exploitation and social hierarchy emerged. Sarah felt hurt and powerless. She treated Hagar harshly, reflecting societal norms of power and class. Hagar fled into the wilderness, escaping mistreatment. This moment highlights human emotions, fairness, and consequences of decisions.